What I want to do is display the vibe. In other words, present an experience of vibe coding, which I'm doing for the first time. I'm using this tool which allows me to speak in English. The owner custom roasts coffee beans for each order. And so there's a bunch of specs that the user is expected to be able to provide, such as for this bean, I want it to be roasted at this level, and I want it to be whole bean rather than ground, and how many bags do I want? And then check out, and he will roast it and he will ship it. And what we have is the ability to migrate that to a better looking experience. I can take this element and give it, and it's added that whole page element, and I am going to now send it in, and it will now work on solving whatever that problem is, which is not a problem I know anything about. It's basically using its knowledge of Shopify and its knowledge of all the tools that it's put in my system and all the underlying structures. I can barely list this, what's in a file or CD to another directory. This is just taking my capability to a level it's never been before from the standpoint of doing something myself, which would have taken a whole team. And the reason I'm showing it is CueCam's the same way. If I was going to make a presentation, someone else would write it, someone else would create the slides, someone else create the art for the slides. I'd practice it and get it to a point and then present it. With CueCam, I'm able to now do all of that, script it, develop it, build the artwork, and present it and record it without intervention.